Welcome back, everybody, for another Crypto Deep Dive.
Yeah.
Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Crypto Deep Dive report from November 14th, 2024.
Okay, sounds good.
Just to kind of get you up to speed on what's happening in the crypto market now. And, things are looking a little red overall, but
I was going to say not the best day in the markets, but
I
sorry,
know.
we'll get through it. There's always something interesting.
there are definitely some bright spots and some surprises, as always.
Yeah, exactly.
So the report tells us that the global market cap is down 1.7%.
Mm-hmm.
Not a ton of coins in the top 100 are in the green today.
Right.
But get this, Peanut the Squirrel, PNUT,
All right.
on the exchanges is up 27%.
What? That's amazing.
Yeah.
Good for Peanut. It's good to see that even in a down market, there's some community sentiment out there that can drive, even meme coins up.
Absolutely.
Mm-hmm.
It's a good example of how sometimes the crypto world just likes to throw a curveball at us.
Totally, yeah.
But PNUT isn't the only one having a good day today. We also see Pepe, Brett, and even Bitcoin SV posting pretty solid games.
Interesting. Okay.
On the flip side, though, Kronos and Nero are taking some of the biggest hits. But enough about those. Let's move on to the heavy hitters.
Yeah.
The top 10 coins by market cap. What's going on there?
Yeah, so as you might expect in a downturn, the more established players tend to be a little bit more stable,
Right.
but not completely immune to, the general trend.
Right.
XRP is standing out with a 3% increase. It's the only coin in the top 10 that's gaining over 1% today. Solana and Binance Coin are also slightly up.
Gotcha.
But then we have Cardano Ethereum and Lido Staked Ether dropping around 3.7% each.
Okay.
And Bitcoin itself is down slightly.
Even the king can stumble a little bit.
Yeah, nothing's safe.
Something that caught my eye that could really shake things up in the Bitcoin world is the report mentions a potential major upgrade called OPCAT.
Oh, yeah.
And it could be here within 12 months.
Wow, so this is big. If this happens, it's going to unlock a lot of new functionality for Bitcoin. We're talking covenants, ZK rollups, the whole world of layer 2 networks.
Okay.
Imagine StarkNet becoming the first layer 2 to settle on both Bitcoin and Ethereum.
I have to admit, some of that went a little over my head. Can you break it down for me and maybe our listeners too?
Sure. Think of Bitcoin like a powerful calculator,
Okay.
but it can only do certain things.
Right.
OPSeek has adding a whole new set of functions to it.
Gotcha.
So it's going to allow Bitcoin to do more complex operations, handle more sophisticated applications.
So taking it from a basic calculator to a scientific calculator.
Exactly, a much needed upgrade.
Okay.
So it just shows you how blockchain technology is always evolving. It's not just about, new projects. It's about these established ones like Bitcoin, pushing their limits and expanding what's possible.
Yeah, that's a great point. A sign that the crypto world never sleeps. Speaking of big moves, I was reading about BlackRock.
Yeah.
The investment giant.
Mm-hmm.
They're expanding their BUIDL fund.
Right.
Not just on Ethereum anymore, but to other blockchains.
Mm-hmm.
Like Aptos Arbitrum, Avalanche Optimism, and Polygon.
Wow, so they are really embracing a multi-chain future.
Yeah. What do you make of that?
Well, I think it's pretty clear that they believe in this multi-chain world. It's a major institution putting their weight behind a more diverse blockchain ecosystem.
Right.
And it's not just talk. Either their BUIDL fund has become the world's largest tokenized fund by AUM in under 40 days.
That's incredibly fast growth.
Mm-hmm.
It seems like decentralized finance is gaining more and more traction.
It is.
Especially with things like Bitfinex derivatives integrating with Helix.
Yeah, definitely. This integration is all about giving users more access to products, especially in the stablecoin settled derivatives market.
Gotcha.
It makes trading a lot smoother, offers more choices for, experienced traders.
So more options and opportunities for those who are comfortable navigating derivatives.
Exactly.
But let's shift gears for a moment and talk about MoonPay.
Oh, okay.
They're launching Balance,
Right.
which is a payment solution that aims to really change how we handle crypto payments,
Okay.
particularly in the decentralized world.
Gotcha. So what's interesting about this is they're bridging the gap between traditional money, what we call fiat currency, and this decentralized crypto world.
Okay.
So Balance is going to allow users to have fiat balances right on decentralized platforms,
Okay.
making transactions a lot easier, more user-friendly.
Wow.
Launching first in the UK and EU,
Okay.
with the US coming soon.
So imagine being able to buy, sell, trade crypto right from your own non-custodial wallet without dealing with complicated exchanges.
Yeah. That's a game changer.
especially for those who prioritize decentralization.
Exactly. And it just reflects the need for, more intuitive and accessible ways to enter this world of decentralized finance.
Right.
If MoonPay succeeds, this could really impact how many people use and adopt these decentralized platforms.
Yeah, for sure.
It seems like we've uncovered some pretty interesting stuff in the crypto world today.
We have. It really goes to show that even when the market is down, there's always something exciting happening.
Yeah, for sure. It's never boring.
So for our listeners, what are some of the big takeaways here? What should they keep in mind?
I think the first thing is that the crypto market, even at the top,
Right.
is inherently volatile. It's really crucial to not get too caught up in the short-term ups and downs.
Yeah, great advice. Don't panic over daily fluctuations. Instead, focus on understanding the technology and the long-term potential.
Exactly. Another key takeaway is to pay attention to developments like Bitcoin's potential OP-SAT upgrade.
Yeah.
This could fundamentally change Bitcoin's capabilities, make it much more versatile.
It seems like this upgrade could open up a lot of new possibilities for what Bitcoin can do.
Absolutely. And finally, I think it's important to notice what the big institutional players are doing. BlackRock expanding into multiple chains suggests that decentralized finance is gaining some serious traction among those major financial institutions.
It's a strong signal that decentralized finance is moving beyond just, niche interest into the mainstream.
Precisely. And I think we'll continue to see more institutional adoption, innovative solutions like MoonPay's balance, and further blurring of the lines between traditional finance and this decentralized world.
Yeah, it's definitely an exciting time to be following all of this. But before we wrap up, I'd love to leave our listener with something to ponder.
Of course. With these big institutions moving towards a multi-chain future and solutions like MoonPay balance simplifying transactions, it begs the question, is the future of finance becoming increasingly decentralized?
That's a great question. And it's one that each of us will have to consider as we navigate this, ever-changing landscape.
It's a journey filled with challenges and possibilities. It's never boring.
Absolutely. So to our listener, keep exploring, stay informed, and remember, the world of crypto never stands still.
And who knows, maybe someday we'll look back and say, remember when Peanut the Squirrel was up 27%?
Those were the days. It was fun as always.
Till next time, happy investing, everybody.